In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in OneNote the easy way. With this tool, you'll streamline your note-taking process, transforming scattered notes into organized, digestible information. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Google. Typing Google into your search bar will get you there in no time. Once you're on the Google homepage, it's time to find Microsoft Copilot Studio. In the search bar, simply type Microsoft Copilot Studio. This is where you'll gain access to the tools you need to make your note-taking smoother and more efficient. Next, look for the official Microsoft Copilot Studio website in the search results and give it a click. It's essential you land on the genuine site to ensure you have the latest and most secure access to Microsoft's tools. Once you're on the Copilot Studio page, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you haven't created one yet, it might be worth setting up an account now so you can access all the features. After signing in, locate and click on the App Launcher, often found on the screen's upper left side. The App Launcher is your gateway to Microsoft's suite of tools. And today, we're focusing on OneNote. From the drop-down menu or app grid, find OneNote and click on it to open. If you have a lot of notes, you may want to take a moment to find the specific one you'd like to enhance with Copilot. Select your note by clicking on it. This selection will serve as the canvas for Microsoft Copilot's capabilities. Now, let's add the magic touch. In OneNote, look for the Copilot icon. It's typically represented by a small robotic or helper icon. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter what's known as a prompt. A prompt is essentially an instruction or request you give to Copilot. For our demonstration, input this prompt. Turn the text on this OneNote page into clean, organized study notes. Include key ideas, definitions, short explanations, examples, and bullet points. Make the notes simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Do not rewrite everything. Focus only on the most important learning points. This instruction tells Copilot exactly what you want to achieve, focusing on clarity and conciseness. Finally, after reviewing your prompt to make sure it covers all you need, click the Submit button. Copilot will then work its magic, transforming disordered information into structured notes that capture essential learning points. You'll be amazed at how Copilot enhances your note-taking efficiency and output. And there you have it, a straightforward, streamlined approach to using Microsoft Copilot in OneNote. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.